This is a brand new 2012 Porsche Panamera. This four-door sedan has a 7-speed automatic transmission and a 3.6-liter V6. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a sunroof, heated seats, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, air conditioning, cruise control, a premium audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, variable valve timing, a rear spoiler, an anti-lock braking system, a rear window defroster, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Boardwalk Porsche is conveniently located at 5924 West Plano Parkway in Plano. Come experience the Boardwalk difference today. When you think Boardwalk, think performance. It's what we do.